I do want to highlight one last thing about the Forms tab. You all, as student organizations, have the ability to create forms yourself. So let's walk through that process quickly. You'll just click Create a Form right here, and it'll help you to design your form. You can see you can put a form name, description, create pages with text box, or you can also do different types of questions, and there's many to choose from over on this sidebar on the left-hand side. When you're done, you're going to save as well as publish the form, but there's also a few other things that you can do here. If you click on Settings at the top, you can access who can see this. So if you want it to be public, where maybe parents or alumni can access it, you can go ahead and select that. Just folks within Sonoma State, your organization, or select people within your organization, much like the other features that we've talked about. You can categorize different forms, limit the number of accepted submissions per user, or limit the time period that submissions can be accepted. These are going to come in handy when you do things like applications or perhaps elections. If you only want your members to be able to submit something one time, you'll go ahead and check this box. You can also say that they can do 3 times, 4, whatever works for you, but typically it's going to be that one time. If there's a deadline that they need to submit it by, you can click the time period that submissions can be accepted and choose your start date, end date, as well as the times. If we scroll back up, we also have notified admins. So if you wanted to be notified every time that somebody submitted this form, you can go ahead and just check that box, and every time that somebody submits this form, Jennifer would get an email about it. You have the ability to do scoring, as well as custom messages when somebody submits it. You approve, deny, or reopen a form. Again, once you're done, you'll save and publish, and it'll show up just like the other forms that we talked about in the last video. There are a lot of options on this specific feature, so if you have any questions about building a form, please contact the Student Involvement Office, and a Campus Life Advisor will be happy to assist you through the process.